friends, welcome back to my channel product review, and today I am come with a kit of diamond painting that has taken the art and craft world by storm, and for good reason, and it is relaxing, rewarding and incredibly beautiful when complete. The Kids Happy Diamond Painting DIY handmade set is designed with children in mind and offering a creative experience that blends art, patience and hands-on fun into colorful package. The review explored every details of the product, from what's inside the kit and how you get the child benefit development, along with the expert tips for making the most out of the experience. Let's talk about the product review. So friends, here's the product review of the diamond painting kit, that is DIY handmade creating a colorful childhood. So this is the kit, and let's open it and show you what comes. This is the cardboard that is come in this pack. That is diamond painting, and the beautiful butterflies that I've shown over here with colorful butterflies, flowers, and they have also given the instruction over here. This colorful diamonds also come over here, that is white, black, yellow, red, pink, green and blue. Along with that we get a sticker type what is come over here, that in this crab, octopus, turtle, fish, star, that has come along with this kit. They also have given a tray and a pen diamond for holding the diamond very easily, and this one small squash type that has come over here in this pack. The Kids Happy Diamond Painting DIY Handmade Kit is an all-in-one creative craft set for children. It allows them to create sparkling texture pictures using small colorful resin diamonds that stick to pre-printed adhesive canvas. What makes it special? It is designed for easy use for children with safe and non-toxic material. Clear pattern printed on the canvas for guided placement. A wide range of vibrant diamonds color for stunning results. A relaxing activity that doubles as a decorative art piece once finished. The kit is perfect for children above age 5 and above, with adult supervision for younger kids to ensure safety with the small bits. What's inside the pack? That I've already shown y'all. A typical kit Happy Diamond Painting DIY handmade kit includes pre-printed canvas with design suitable for kids, color resin diamond for individual pack sorted by number or symbol. They also given a diamond applicator pen for easy pickup and placement, wax pad to help the diamond stick to the pen tip, small tray for holding and organizing diamond during use, the instruction sheet for beginners. Everything is neatly packed so children can start crafting right away without needing extra supplies. How it works, step-by-step guide. Diamond painting might look complex at first glance, but it is easy and fun once you know the steps. Step 1. Prepare the workspace. Choose a clean, flat surface and good lighting. Spread out all the items in the kit, keeping the diamond in their original pack until it's needed. Understand that the canvas has a small printed symbol, each corresponding to a specific diamond color. Check the legend or color chart printed on the side of the canvas. Third is the apply the wax. Press the diamond application pen into the wax pad. This helps pick up the resin diamond easily. Fourth one is the pour diamond into the tray. Gently pour one color into the tray. Shake lightly to align the diamond so they face upward for easy pickup. Step 5 is the start placing diamonds. Pick a section of the canvas to start with. Peel back the protective film. Slighten slightly to reveal the adhesive. Use the pen to pick up a diamond and place it in one of the matching symbols. Work in all small sessions. This keeps the adhesive fresh and prevent dirt from sticking. Step 7 is pressly down complete session. Once done, gently press the diamond with a soft book or roller to ensure they stick well. Step 8 is display the artwork. Frame it, hang it on the wall or give it as a gift. The final piece will be dazzling. Let's talk about the benefit for the children. This DIY diamond painting isn't just about making something pretty, it has real development benefits. It improves fine motor skill. Picking up and placing tiny diamonds strengthens hand-eye coordination, enhance concentration. Children learn to focus on a small detail for extended period. Encourage patience and perseverance. It takes time to complete, teaching the value of effort. Boost creativity. Explore color combination and patterns. Promote relaxing. Crafting can be calming, reducing stress or restlessness. Build confidence. Finishing sparkling artwork give a sense of accomplishment. Fifth is creativity use of the finished artwork. Once the diamond painting is done, it is just not an art piece, it is a keepsake. Here are some fun ideas. You can hang it for room decoration, like hanging it in the child bedroom for a personal touch. You can gift it for a family, that is grandparents, aunt and uncle will love handmade art from a child. Then school project display, use it as an art for an art exhibition or crafty assignment. Birthday party prize, frame it and give it to someone as a unique gift. Memory keepsake, keep it as a reminder of your child creative phrase. Tip for best result. To make sure the process is simple, enjoyable and smooth, work in a well area to avoid eye strain. Always cover the canvas when not in use to keep dust away. Sort diamond into small containers or muffin tray to avoid spill. Start with one corner and move systematically to prevent smudging. Encourage short, regular crafting session to avoid fatigue. Double check that diamonds are firmly pressed for longevity. Let's talk about the safety note. Since the kit contains small resin bits, it's important for supervised children under 7 years old. Keep away from pets and babies to avoid choking hazard. Store unused diamond in sealed bags. The material are non-toxic but still be avoided. Why parents should love it? Parents often look for activities that are educational, engaging and screen-free. This kit ticks all the boxes. Affordable craft with long-lasting entertainment value, encourage creativity without making a mess like paint or glue, compact and easy to store when not in use, result in a beautiful decoration that can be kept for years. It is a perfect gift for every occasion. The Kids Happy Diamond Painting DIY Handmade Kit make a thoughtful gift for birthday, Christmas, Children's Day, art competition, holiday activities. It is a combination of fun and skill building, makes it ideal choice for creative childhood. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are it is safe, child-friendly material, bright, attractive diamond color. Third is simple to follow for beginners. Fourth is affordable and reusable tool. Enhance concentration and creativity. Let's talk about the cons. Small parts can be lost easily without organization. Require patience. Some kids may want quicker result. Need proper lighting for best experience. The Kids Happy Diamond Painting DIY Handmade creating a colorful childhood kit is more than just a craft activity. With its colorful resin diamond, easy to follow canvas and fun design, it is perfect for keeping kids engaged with helping them to learn valuable life skill. It is must for parents for a skin-free hobby for their children, and the finished product make a treasure keepsake. Bye friends. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you cannot miss a single video of mine. Bye friends.